Welcome. Today, we're diving into an updated guide on how to report a group on WhatsApp. If you've encountered a group that's sharing inappropriate content, spamming, or violating WhatsApp's policies, reporting it is a good way to help maintain a safe and respectful environment for everyone. Here's how to do it, step by step. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the group chat. First things first, launch WhatsApp on your device and navigate to the group you intend to report. This is the group that you believe is violating WhatsApp's terms or is otherwise problematic. 2. Tap the group name at the top. Once you're in the group chat, look at the very top of your screen. You'll see the name of the group displayed there. Tap on it. Tapping the group name will take you to the group info screen. 3. Scroll down and tap Report Group. On the group info screen, scroll down until you find the option labeled Report Group. It's usually located near the bottom of the list. This option flags the group to WhatsApp for review. 4. Tap Report. After tapping Report Group, a confirmation prompt will appear. This prompt may also give you the option to exit the group. Tap Report to confirm that you want to report the group. WhatsApp will receive the last 5 messages sent to you by the group. No one in the group will be notified that you reported them, and that's it. You've successfully reported the group to WhatsApp. WhatsApp will review the group and take action according to their policies. By reporting, you're helping to keep WhatsApp a safe and positive space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.